Hello guys, so in today's video I'm talking about color grading. So I'm gonna use Adobe Premiere Pro CC to color grade my photos, and I'm gonna show you how to do step by step how to do color grade in Premiere Pro. So please watch the video until and you will know few stuff from me how I color grade my videos. So if you like this video, subscribe the channel and like this video and turn on the bell icon. Make sure so you will get notified when I upload my next video. So let's jump on the Premiere Pro straight away. We are in the Premiere Pro now, so I'm gonna do a step by step how I do the color grading in these photos. So this photos is my H-Log2 profile shoot by Sony A64000. So I'm gonna apply first color correction in my photos. So color correction basically is we're gonna adjust this exposure, highlight and everything. I'm gonna use my own alerts on this one. So make adjustment layer first. Click, don't apply the color grade in the photos, adjustment layer. So I'm gonna apply here and drag to the whole photos, and I'm gonna open color from here. So if you go color here, it's gonna open everything here. You're gonna open everything here, and make sure you open the lumetri scopes. So make sure you don't hit over your highlights 100 and don't hit the 0 on the bottom lines. So make sure you don't touch these two lines. So as you go here, it's gonna separate these things into things. So it's all curves. It's because there's no color, no contrast, no highlights, everything. So I'm gonna apply the LUTs first. I'm gonna select the adjustment layer. Make sure you apply the color and everything in the adjustment layer. So I'm gonna use my own LUTs. So I'm gonna go browser. I'm gonna go to my own LUTs here. I'm gonna go with down highlights from here. So I'm gonna just make it few. Adjust the stuff. I'm gonna with contrast here. So after apply the LUTs, you need to adjust few stuff like contrast and everything. So it looks good. Color grade. So main thing now is color grading. I'm gonna create new adjustment layer here. So now you can just drag this adjustment layer on the top. I'm gonna apply. I'm gonna get this here. Here. So first I'm gonna rename this one. So I'm gonna cover correction. Okay, so I'm gonna name the color correction. So you can, it's easy. Like okay, in this section I'll apply the color correction, and I'm gonna go here, rename, and say color grading. So you can see, this apply color grading, this one is color correction one. So you will easily find out which one is for color correction and the color grading. Easily you can find it. So I'm gonna apply. So I'm gonna be saturation here. So I'm gonna get big color like yellow and orange one here. So I'm gonna go bit higher saturation. So I'm gonna go to cows. So this is the main important things. So I need just adjust the highlights and contrast and shadow and everything into the video. I'm gonna go bit contrast
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette.
So you can adjust, like you can play with these things.
Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So you see, so you can play around with everything. So you can see, so let's drag it down.
Come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises I made you that I couldn't keep. But it's like something feels different from back then.
So I'm gonna go to adjust this blue color here. And this way I'm gonna beat circle. So I'm gonna let it go.
Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to your bed?
So this way you can play around with this color. So I go blue and orange, so I'm just playing with the blue and orange. I don't want to go with the red and everything. So I go right here, but it's fine. So this is you can select the pen and you can select any color that you want to make exist. So I'm gonna go to orange one first here. I'm gonna click here. So it's gonna pirate my blue. So I'm gonna go down.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks.
Again. So you can see the color before it was this is now sharper, and you can see the blue exactly. I'm gonna put bit below here. This should be fine. This looks better. And I'm gonna go to my face now. So I'm gonna highlight my face. So I want to, and my skin is too dark. You can see, so I'm gonna be doing the accessories in my skin. I'm gonna go bit bigger, and my skin tones will go. So the main part, you can select your any color individual, like as I said, if you take the pen and drag any choose to any color. I usually do the basic things here, and I'm gonna use most of them fade and stuff. So I'm gonna do fade here, and I'm gonna go to house first. Again, I'm gonna here you can see my face is red, so
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to? Why don't we go back to?
Just play with this stuff, so you can see it's more orange now. So I'm gonna put a bit more damage. That looks like blue color. How I do color grading. I hope you are gonna enjoy this video, and if you like this video, subscribe the channel and please leave the like and comment below. Thanks so much guys.